Yes, you read that right. I made $12,622.92 while shopping at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods. I did this all through a process known as retail arbitrage. Don't worry if you don't know what that is, because that's what I'm going to be covering in this video. Also in this video, I'll be covering how you can get started and how you can make some extra money while shopping at your favorite stores. If you're new here, my name's Tom with Path to Billions. On this channel, I'm documenting my financial journey and taking you along so we can succeed together. My channel currently focuses on Amazon FBA, so if you're looking to start or grow an Amazon FBA business, then you'll definitely want to subscribe and turn on notifications because there's going to be a ton more content just like this. I want to start off by showing you guys the numbers behind these shopping sprees, and in order to do that, I'm going to be showing you a screenshot of my accounting and inventory management software, Inventory Lab. You can see I blurred out the other stores I shopped at, but I left open TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods, and HomeSense is further down on this list, but is a small percentage of my revenue, so I didn't include it in this screenshot. We'll start off with TJ Maxx, and you could see I sold 2,006 units. I had 52 units refunded, had a total revenue from TJ Maxx of $31,347.66. That represented almost a quarter of my revenue last year at 23%. I have a profit of $6,367.28, which gives me about a 51% ROI. Next is Marshalls at 1,001 units, 34 units refunded, $17,284.23 in revenue. That gives me about 13% of my revenue last year. You have a profit of $3,203.79, which is an ROI of about 42.71%. Then we have HomeGoods with 1,084 units, 32 units refunded, revenue of $14,588.19, which is about 11% of my revenue, profit of about $2,924.59, and an ROI of 51%. In total, from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, and HomeSense, I sold 4,118 units. I had a total revenue of $63,770.15, a total profit of $12,622.92, and these four stores represent almost 50% of my revenue last year. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I managed to make this extra $12,000 last year by shopping at these stores and using a process known as retail arbitrage. For those unfamiliar with retail arbitrage, it is the process of buying products from a retail store with the intention of reselling it. The other thing you heard me mention in the beginning was that my channel focuses on Amazon FBA. This means I'm reselling these products that I'm buying on the Amazon platform. The one thing some people don't realize is that 52% of Amazon's sales are actually from third-party sellers like me. You don't have to sell your products on the Amazon platform in order to do retail arbitrage. You can also sell these products, whether it's in person or online, through the many different marketplaces that are out there nowadays. There's eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, LetGo, StockX, Craigslist, and many others. There's two main reasons that I personally sell through Amazon and not the other platforms that I had mentioned. One is I sell through a program called Amazon FBA, where FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means Amazon takes on a large amount of the workload normally necessary to run this type of business. You ship all your products to an Amazon warehouse where they are stored. If you receive an order, their warehouse workers will pick, pack, and ship those products on to customers. If you receive any returns, they'll be shipped back to an Amazon warehouse. They also handle some amount of customer service for you as well. By having Amazon handle all this workload for you and taking it off your plate, you can then focus that time and energy that you would normally be spent on these activities and go out and source more products and make more money. The second reason I sell on Amazon is with their app, you can actually see your estimated profit margins and even sales velocity while outsourcing for products and make much more informed decisions than you could with eBay or other platforms. I'll pull up a quick example to show you what I mean. You can see you have the title and a picture of the product to make sure you're buying the same product. You have sales rank, which is a snapshot of the sales velocity, which there are free tools that will help you better understand this. Then you have your list price, your Amazon fees, and your gross proceeds. If you click that bar, it'll pull up a calculator, which will give you profit after you input your cost of purchase. This gives you the majority of information you'll need when you're first starting out and want to make buying decisions. So if you want to sell products from the stores you already shop at and want to get started, the very first thing you'll want to do is open up an Amazon seller account. The nice thing is Amazon offers a free account for when you're first starting out and just want to test the waters. Once you decide to keep selling on Amazon and you get to around 40 sales a month, you'll want to upgrade to the professional account because you'll save money and you get additional features. Then you'll want to download the Amazon seller app, which I showed you earlier, so you can start searching for products. All you have to do while out shopping is pull up the app and use the camera to scan UPC barcodes on product. The product you scan will most likely show up, and then you can start diving into the information presented to you to see if it'll be a profitable purchase. Keep in mind that not all products are for sale on Amazon, and some products are not properly labeled under the UPC, so they might not actually show up when you scan them. Once you start finding some profitable products that you want to send in, the next thing you have to do is prep them and ship them into Amazon's warehouse. If you want to learn how to do this, then you'll want to check out this video I did about sending your first shipment through Seller Central. Also, if you're curious what supplies you'll need to send in your first shipments and to get started on Amazon, then definitely check out this video I did on the supplies you need to get started flipping products through retail arbitrage. You might be wondering at this point, can you do retail arbitrage at any store? The answer is yes, but some stores are generally better to shop at, and you will be much more likely to find profitable products. Also, Target is actually openly against retail arbitrage. However, as far as I'm aware, I don't think this has stopped anyone from actually doing it there. The reason I shop at TJ Maxx and its family of stores is because it is one of those stores that are better to shop at, and you're much more likely to find profitable products. If you've never shopped at a TJ Maxx before, it is a discount store, so the prices are already generally cheaper than retail. This means you have more room in the pricing to make a potential profit. Also, something some people don't realize about TJ Maxx is that they have a lot of exclusive products that I've personally never seen at other stores. This is why TJ Maxx is known for being a treasure hunt. They are constantly bringing in new and unique products. Once you shop there enough, you'll start to learn what to look for and what generally makes more money. These stores do run the gamuts in products they sell, like clothing, pet supplies, toys, grocery items, and many others. There are profitable products in all these categories, but you do have to keep in mind that when you first start selling on Amazon, there are restrictions to what you can sell. These categories and products are considered gated, meaning you can't sell them, and in order to, you will have to get Amazon to give you the authority to. As I mentioned, this channel is all about Amazon FBA, so of course, I have a video about that already. To start, you'll be gated in things like the entire grocery category, and the baby category is also gated in the beginning, I believe. Also, there are any big name brands like Hasbro, Nerf, Nike, Hanes, Barbie, and many others that will be gated when you first start. However, there are plenty of products to sell regardless of these restrictions, as long as you keep looking around for them. Another discount store that is pretty popular and similar to TJ Maxx is Ross. I personally don't shop there because there's only one even remotely close to me. Also, if you're someone who likes to do online shopping, there's online arbitrage, which gives you the added benefit of working completely from home. I have an older video which actually helps you get started with online arbitrage for free, but it is slightly outdated now. I also have a more advanced playlist if you're interested in paying for a software that helps you level up your online arbitrage business. There's obviously a ton more that goes into starting and growing an Amazon FBA business, but this is a very basic introduction into retail arbitrage. You essentially open an Amazon seller account, and then you can start scanning products while you're out shopping, and you can see what you can and can't sell. Plus, you'll start learning what brands or categories or products sell well and make good profit. Then, once you start deciding to test the waters, you can send in small shipments to start getting some sales. This business can be great if you want to start earning some extra side income. As I mentioned, my channel is focused on helping people start and grow Amazon FBA businesses. This means I have videos like this one, which shows you all the supplies you'll need to get started, or this one if you want to send in your first shipment to Amazon. If you found this video interesting or helpful at all, then I always appreciate a like, as it helps me grow and help more people. If you want plenty more content like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. As always, thanks for watching.